Are you a contact center, conference company, BPO, or a carrier? Do you have numbers all around the world that are accessed by your customers every day? Do you know if your numbers are working? If a customer cannot access your number, what is it costing your business in costs, reputational damage, missed sales, poor customer experience, and customers switching to another provider? Spearline can help. We can monitor your lines from in-country and replicate your customer's real experience. We measure the connection of the call, post-dial delay, and audio quality of the call. If a phone line goes down, if the audio quality is bad, or if there are any other issues, Spearline will automatically generate an alert that is instantly flagged to your Network Operations Center team and provide call detail reports to raise an issue with your carrier. Contact Spearline today for a free trial on spearline.com.